it's not a very great sense with most of the metals there. Precious metals and base metals have been declining. You have the weak services numbers coming from Europe. The Chinese economic target for 2012 now at 7.5% is nearly 7 to 8 years lows, and that is really putting pressure. And apart from that, the copper Shanghai stockpiles are at a decade high. So that really tells you that there's not so much of a demand coming in for the base metals or the industrial commodities from the biggest consumer, and that is weighing onto the prices there. It's the US retail sales numbers today in the evening, and markets would take further direction from that one. But till then, brokerage houses are advising a sell for the base metal prices. We have a sell on copper coming in from Cadia, and they're targeting 422 on the lower side. There also is a sell on nickel, and this time around from Angel with targets at 945 per kg for today.
Manisha, just one quick word. For our viewers who are looking to invest into the precious metals, and not by virtue of buying futures, not as a trader, but as an investor, any of your sources that you speak to, are they recommending buying either gold or silver?
Silver more than gold really, Neeraj, because we have come down from all the way from $37 plus to around 33 at this point in time. Many people are putting targets or support levels at 32.5, and that should be a good level to start getting into the silver prices. Gold in the meanwhile, well, you have inflation concerns, low interest rates, and you have those safe haven or the geopolitical concerns in Middle East. All of those factors would be supportive. If we talk about the 1 year going forward, many people are talking about 75,000 kind of levels on silver, while gold prices could be touching something like 32,000 in the meantime.